Hello, students. So, I hope you all are doing well during this lockdown. I'm sure you must be really very bored, right? And especially since your dreams have come to a standstill because you're not being able to give your IELTS exams. Well, there is good news. The exams have started, and there was one IELTS exam yesterday in Bangalore. One of my students attended it, and apart from whatever feedback regarding the exam he had to give, I also asked him a lot of questions related to the post COVID rules being followed. So life has changed and things are going to be really very different. So let's listen to the recording of the call that I had yesterday with my student who gave his IELTS exam at Bangalore. So, Arvind, you gave your exam today. Can you tell me what are the procedures being followed for post the lockdown for the COVID thing?
Okay. So, hi Arvinder. So, today, as I'm going to share my experience with you on how the things are going on, how the IELTS exam has been conducted today, 27th of June 2020, which is post-COVID. So, basically, the most important thing, we have to carry mask, which is the prerequisite of entering into the examination hall. That is mask and your Arogya Setu app, which has been defined by the government of India to be installed in all the mobiles. They first of all you will be entering into the hall room, and they will be asking you to register for a COVID-19 test, and they will register your all the information, whether that will include whether you have traveled within these 20 days or not, where you have traveled, and how many days you have stayed out of this states from any of the states. And secondly, you have to show your Arogya Setu app on, and you have to show that it is green, showing green that you are safe. And then you have to fill a small form of COVID-19 form. The second step will be, as usual, normal. Your pic will be taken, and you have to sign the form, and then they will be giving you your candidate number, and then you have to move out. Rest remains the same. But the most important is the new thing which we can see, which we can notice post-COVID is you have to wear the mask permanently till the time you are in the examination hall or in the premise, and use Arogya Setu app. That's all. Nothing new.
Okay, what about sanitization, your hand sanitization and all that?
Oh, sorry, I forgot that. Sanitizer also is very important. It will be provided in the examination hall in every step. They will be providing you sanitizers, and you can also keep it with you. It's much more safer. But in the examination hall, either British Council or IDP, they are providing sanitizers. Like they will be having sanitizer on every desk for the help, for the support help.
All right, that's good. What about the stationery, your pens and pencils and everything? I had heard in one of the videos that you will carry all the stationery back or something. Something I had heard about the stationery. Are there some special instructions regarding the stationery, the pens and pencils and erasers?
So, yes, stationery, they are provided. They will not be mentioned in the form or in the admit card. But yes, once you enter into the hall and you have to start exam, you will see that they will provide you one cutter, one sharpener, one rubber, one pencil, and one pen.
Yeah, that's the regular thing. They do it every time they will give. But no special instructions that you must carry your stationery bag. You're not going to leave anything behind, something like that, huh?
No, they will not provide any type of instructions. They will only provide instructions that you should not carry any type of watches, digital watch, mobile phones.
That's regular.
Bags.
That's regular. Yeah. That's
yes,
regular.
that remains same.
Okay.
So in short, only
Okay. So that's exactly what I was about to do. In short, so I'll just wrap it up. So the first thing is that you have to carry your own mask, right? And you
Correct.
have to wear the mask throughout the exam. The moment you enter
Correct.
and the moment till the time you come out, okay? And then you have to have the Arogya Setu app on your phone, which you have
Yes.
to switch on, and it should show green.
right?
Yes.
Okay, then there is going to be some kind of registration in which they will be filling in all your data which is related to COVID, like your travel history or whatever, whether you have been well or not, do you have any cough or anything, right?
Yes. So
Okay.
that is a simplified form only.
Yeah, okay. And yeah, so that's, and then the sanitization is provided, and it is kept there, and it is always there. It's there at every step, correct?
Yes.
All
Yes.
right.
Yes.
What
Every
about,
exit gate they will be there.
okay, and what about the seating arrangement? I forgot to ask you. How is the seating?
So you will be shocked to hear that today in our examination hall there are only 43 candidates,
Mm-hmm.
and the gap between each person is of two people.
Or,
Two people, like one person sitting, and then after that two chairs are empty. Then second person sitting.
okay, okay. So the social distancing is being maintained. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
correct. That will be followed everywhere.
yeah, yeah. So fine. So I think we have covered everything, and thank you so much for this information. And I would appreciate, and I mean, I'm really grateful because other people are also going to benefit from this information, because right now people don't know what is going to happen, what are the changes happening. Okay.
Okay, no problem. Thank
All
you.
right then.
Uh,
Thank you so much for your time.
okay.
So, to recap it all, here is a list of the things which you need to take care of. The first thing, you have to carry a mask. It is a must. You must have the Arogya Setu app installed on your phone, and you will have to show it at the entrance, and it needs to be showing as green. And during the registration, you will have to fill up a form which gives information about your travels and your health, whether you have fever or not, and things like that. Sanitizers will be provided at every step. And last but not the least, in fact, very important, and social distancing is being maintained with a good gap between two seats. So that's about it. I hope this answers all of your questions, and I hope you guys are able to give your exam very soon too. All the best, and God bless you.